Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting and practical speaker, the iLuv MobiCup. This is a wireless Bluetooth speaker and speakerphone designed with convenience and portability in mind, specifically for use with your Kindle, tablet, or smartphone. Right off the bat, one of the most noticeable things about the MobiCup is its design. It's cylindrical, and that's not just for looks. This shape is specifically engineered to fit into most standard cup holders, whether that's in your car, on a bike, or even in a stroller. This makes it incredibly easy to take your music or calls with you wherever you go without needing a special mount or worrying about it rolling away. Connectivity is straightforward thanks to Bluetooth. You can wirelessly stream audio directly from your smartphone, tablet, or Kindle. Pairing is simple, and it provides a stable connection for your music or podcasts. Now, let's talk about durability, which is a big selling point here. The iLuv MobiCup is splash resistant. This isn't fully waterproof, but it means you don't have to panic if a little water gets on it. It's built to handle splashes from the pool, rain during an outdoor picnic, or moisture from being near the beach. This splash resistance makes it a great companion for all sorts of outdoor activities where a regular speaker might be too vulnerable. Contributing to this is the design of the controls. They are sealed and located right on top of the speaker. This not only makes them easy to access when the speaker is in a cup holder, but also helps protect the internal components from moisture. Speaking of controls, the top panel gives you everything you need at your fingertips. You have dedicated buttons for play-pause, skipping tracks forward and backward, adjusting the volume, and managing hands-free calls. Yes, it also functions as a speakerphone, so you can take calls directly through the speaker, which is super convenient when you're driving or have your hands full. The combination of its cup holder-friendly design, splash resistance, easy Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated speakerphone functionality makes the iLuv MobiCup a really versatile little device. It's clearly built for people who are on the go and want their audio with them, whether they're commuting, enjoying the outdoors, or just moving around the house. The sealed controls and splash resistance add a layer of practicality that many standard portable speakers lack, making it a reliable option for various environments. Overall, the iLuv MobiCup delivers on its promise of portable, convenient, and somewhat rugged audio. Its unique design feature of fitting into cup holders really sets it apart and makes it incredibly practical for daily use in many different scenarios. If you're looking for a speaker that can easily travel with you and isn't afraid of a little splash, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.